While the pandemic continues to have an impact on international air travel, airlines are considering the future of their wide-body aircraft. Lufthansa, Air France, and a number of other airlines have previously stated that their super jumbos will not be reintroduced into service. British Airways, on the other hand, maintained its faith in the future of the Airbus A380. British Airways' contract with Lufthansa Technik for Airbus A380 aircraft base maintenance services was extended on August 4, 2021. For more than a decade, British Airways has relied on Lufthansa Technik as its Airbus A380 aircraft maintenance solution provider. The new deal will begin in August 2022, and will be in effect for more than 5 years. Lufthansa Technik will manage British Airways' Airbus A380 aircraft, with its predictive aircraft maintenance digital platform aviator, which gives real-time information access on the check status, as well as the next measures to be conducted in order to maintain the aircraft. Safety is at the center of all we do, and we're thrilled to renew our existing A380 base maintenance contract with Lufthansa Technik, as a result of Lufthansa Technik Philippines' continuous exceptional standard of service. This arrangement ensures that our A380 aircraft will have slots for the foreseeable future, said British Airways Technical Director Dave Exon.